Okay, for this video we're going to have a look at moving objects and shapes and images, etc. on your slide mat. So you can see here I've got the little penguins dancing, and you can do your regular movement where you can see I have the four-sided arrow on my pointer there, and I can just click and drag, and I can be moving that picture up and down and around. Sometimes we need it to be a little bit more precise than that. So in the gold box there, you can see that I have the shortcut that we need. So I have selected my picture there that I want to move. And if I want to move it up, I can press the up arrow and you can see it moving up even though I'm not dragging it. I can move it down with the down arrow. I can go this way with that arrow, and then I can head over toward the other way, which I believe is right, with the right arrow, and then head back in towards the middle. So selecting what I would like to move and pressing the arrows will move it in increments that you can see are quite small, but not as small as they could be. So over here, this is another way of moving pictures. I would like to have these two triangles close together, so I might pick this one up and drag it to there. You can see it's already selected, so I can move the arrows, and I'll pop it right over here next to it. But I would like there to be just a tiny bit of space between my two triangles, so if I select this one, if I then push down my shift button and use the arrows, can you see how it's moving in tiny, I'm pressing the arrow lots and lots of times, and it's moving in little microscopic movements there, increments I should say. And you can see when you've got the shift button pressed down, they call that pixel movement because it's moving one pixel at a time. And it means that I could move my triangle up. So you can see now I've managed to join the two of them together, and you wouldn't even know that they were separate pictures to start with. So that pixel movement can also be very handy.